Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Talks.
Hi, we are so happy you were here with us today.
I am Emily.
And I'm Jack.
Okay, Jack, today's lesson is very important.
Yes, today we are going to learn the difference between by and until.
Jack, can I ask you something first?
Of course, what is it?
Yesterday, I sent you a message. I said, please send me the homework by 5 o'clock.
Yes,
You sent it at 9 o'clock at night, Jack.
I thought by 5 o'clock means before 5 in the morning? The next morning?
Jack!
I know. I was confused. That is exactly why we need this lesson today.
You see, even Jack gets confused with by and until, and that is completely okay.
But after today's lesson, I will never make that mistake again, I promise.
We'll see about that, Jack.
So, if you also get confused between by and until, you are in the right place.
Stay with us until the end, and everything will become crystal clear.
And if you are new here, welcome to our Daily English Talks family.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button so you never miss a new lesson. Together. Okay, let's go. Okay, first, let's understand the basic difference between by and until.
Yes, because they look similar, but they are not the same.
So listen carefully. By means a deadline, a final time, not after this time.
For example, submit your homework by Friday. This means Friday is the last day. Do it before Friday or on Friday, but not after.
And until means something continues up to a certain time. It keeps going.
For example, I will wait until 5 o'clock. This means I start waiting now and I keep waiting and I stop at 5 o'clock.
So by is for a one-time action with a deadline.
And until is for a continuing action that stops at a certain time.
Let me give you a very simple picture in your mind.
Ooh, I love this. What is the picture?
Imagine you are running a race. You must finish by 3 o'clock. That means 3 o'clock is your deadline. Finish before that time.
But if your friend says, I will cheer for you until you finish, that means your friend keeps cheering continuously until the race is over.
By, deadline for one action. Until, something continues up to a point.
Simple, right? Don't worry, we have lots of conversations and examples coming up.
Cheerfully, stay with us. It gets even more clear in the next parts. Okay, now let's go deeper into BY with lots of simple examples.
Yes, BY is used when we have a deadline, a final point in time.
The structure is simple. Do something by a time.
For example, please call me by 6 o'clock. This means call before 6 or at 6, but not at 7, not at 8. 6 is the limit.
The report must be ready by Monday. Monday is the last day. Finish it before Monday or on Monday.
I will be home by 9 o'clock tonight. I will arrive at 9 or before 9, not after.
Now, very important. BY is also used for actions that will be completed before a certain time.
Like what?
By the time you wake up, I will have cooked breakfast. The cooking will be finished before you wake up.
Oh, so BY is not just for deadlines, it also shows something is completed before a time.
Exactly. Completed before a point in time. That is BY.
Say it with me. Please finish this by tomorrow.
Please finish this by tomorrow.
Now make your own sentence with BY. Think of a deadline in your life and use BY.
Write it in the comments. We would love to read it. Perfect. Now let's talk about until with clear and simple examples.
Yes. Until is all about continuation. Something keeps going and stops at a certain point.
Clear. The structure is do something until a time.
For example, I studied until midnight. I started studying earlier, and I kept studying, and I stopped at midnight.
Example 2. Please wait until I come back. Start waiting now, keep waiting, and stop when I return.
Example 3. The shop is open until 9 o'clock. The shop starts in the morning, stays open, and closes at 9.
You see, in all these examples, there is a continuous action. It keeps going, and then stops.
Like a river, it keeps flowing until it reaches the sea.
Oh, Jack, that was actually very poetic.
I know. I surprise myself sometimes.
Okay, very important rule. Until is almost always used with continuous or repeated actions, not one-time actions.
So we say, wait until 5 o'clock because waiting is continuous.
But we do not say, submit your homework until Friday, because submitting is a one-time action.
That is the key difference. One-time action, use by. Continuous action, use until.
Say it with me. I will keep practicing until I am fluent in English.
I will keep practicing until I am fluent in English.
Beautiful sentence, and so true for all our learners.
Now, make your own until sentence and write it in the comments below.
Now let's see by and until in a real conversation. We are at an office.
Emily, I need the presentation ready. When can you finish it?
Don't worry, I will finish it by 3 o'clock this afternoon.
Good. And what about the client report?
I will work on the report until lunchtime. Then I will send it to you.
Perfect. And the new team member, Sarah, when does she start?
She will join by next Monday. Everything will be ready for her.
Great. One more thing. The meeting today. How long will it last?
The meeting will go until 5 o'clock, so please keep your evening free.
Oh, until 5 o'clock? That is a long meeting.
I know, but don't worry, I will bring coffee.
Oh, then I will stay until the very end. No problem at all.
To the viewers, did you see that? Jack will do anything for coffee.
Coffee makes everything better. You cannot argue with that.
Now, did you notice? We used by for deadlines, finish by 3, join by Monday. And we used until for continuous actions, work until lunchtime, meeting until 5.
By, deadline. Until, continuous. Remember that, and you'll never confuse them again.
Now let's hear another conversation, this time between two friends.
Hey, Emily, where were you last night? I called you so many times.
Oh, Jack, I was at the library. I studied until 11 o'clock at night.
Wow, until 11? That is so late. Why so long?
I have a big exam tomorrow. I have to finish all my notes by tonight.
All your notes by tonight? That is a lot of work.
I know, so I will study until midnight if I have to.
But you need to sleep. What time is your exam?
It starts by 9 o'clock in the morning, so I must sleep by 1 at the latest.
Okay. So study until midnight, sleep by 1, wake up fresh for the exam.
Exactly. You are getting good at this, Jack.
By and until, I am the master now.
Let's not forget, yesterday you thought by 5 p.m. meant 5 in the morning.
Emily, please, we agreed never to talk about that again.
Sorry. Okay, moving on.
Did you catch everything? Let's quickly review. Emily studied until 11. Continuous action. She must finish her notes by tonight. Deadline. Exam starts by 9. Deadline. Sleep by 1. Deadline.
By and until are starting to feel natural now, aren't they?
If you are understanding, give us a thumbs up right now. We would love to know.
Okay, now this part is very important. Common mistakes that learners make with by and until.
Yes, and trust me, I have made all of these mistakes myself.
We believe you, Jack.
Thank you for your support, Emily.
Okay, mistake number 1. Many learners say, I will wait by you come back.
Wrong. We do not use by with continuous waiting. We say, I will wait until you come back.
By is for deadlines, not for continuous actions, remember.
Mistake number 2. Submit your homework until Friday.
Wrong again. Submitting is a one-time action, not continuous. We say, submit your homework by Friday.
By for one-time deadlines, until for continuing actions.
Mistake number 3, and this is very common. I worked until the deadline.
Wait, is that wrong?
Actually, this one is correct. Working is continuous, so until is perfect here.
Oh, thank goodness. I say that one all the time.
Now, mistake number 4, the shop is open by 9 o'clock.
This sounds like the shop opens at 9 or before 9, but if you want to say the shop closes at 9, you must say the shop is open until 9 o'clock.
Being open is continuous, so always use until for opening hours.
So if you see a sign that says open until 9, now you understand exactly what it means.
Let's quickly review the rules one more time.
One-time action with a deadline, use by.
Continuous action that stops at a point, use until.
Say it with me. By for deadlines, until for continuous.
By for deadlines, until for continuous.
Perfect. You are doing so well.
And remember, making mistakes is completely okay. That is how we learn, right, Jack?
Absolutely. Even I made mistakes. And look at me now. Almost an expert.
Almost, Jack, almost.
I will keep trying until I am perfect.
Did you see that? Jack just used until correctly. There's hope for all of us. Now let's hear one more fun conversation, this time at home with family.
Jack Jr., have you finished your homework yet?
Not yet, Papa. I will finish it by dinner time, I promise.
Dinner is at 7 o'clock, so finish everything by 7. No excuses.
Yes, Papa. I will study until dinner is ready.
Good. And what about your science project? What does it do?
The teacher said submit it by Friday, so I have 3 days.
Perfect. Work on it every evening until it is done.
Papa, can I watch TV after dinner?
Okay. But only until 9 o'clock, then straight to bed.
Yes, thank you, Papa.
And I mean it. TV off by 9. Not 9:05, not 9:10. By 9.
Okay. By 9, I understand.
And that is how parents use by and until every single day.
Jack, were you a strict father just now?
I was a responsible father, Emily. There's a difference.
Sure, Jack. Very responsible.
Now, did you notice all the examples in that conversation?
Finish homework by dinner, that is a deadline, by.
Study until dinner is ready, continuous action, until.
Submit project by Friday, one-time deadline, by.
Watch TV until 9 o'clock, continuous action, until.
Every single sentence, by or until, used perfectly.
Now you try. Think of a family conversation and use by and until. Write it in the comments. We would love to read it.
Amazing! Now let's review everything we learned today, all in one place.
Yes, this is your quick reference guide. Save this part and come back to it anytime.
Number 1, please finish this by 5 o'clock. Deadline.
Number 2, submit your homework by Friday. Deadline.
Number 3, I will be home by 9 tonight. Deadline.
Number 4, by the time you wake up, breakfast will be ready. Completed before a time.
Number 5, I studied until midnight. Continuous action.
Number 6, please wait until I come back. Continuous action.
Number 7, The shop is open until 9 o'clock. Continuous action.
Number 8. I will keep trying until I am perfect. Continuous action.
Number 9. I worked until the deadline. Continuous action.
Number 10. She has been working until late every night this week. Continuous habit.
So let's say the golden rule one final time, together.
By for one-time actions with a deadline.
Until for continuous actions.
Say it with us. By for deadlines, until for continuous.
By for deadlines. Until for continuous.
Perfect. Say it again. By for deadlines, until for continuous.
One more time, louder. By for deadlines. Until for continuous.
Yes, now you will never forget it.
You have worked so hard today, and we are so proud of you.
10 phrases, 2 powerful words, and now you understand the difference completely.
Practice these phrases every day. Use them in your conversations, and very soon, by and until will feel completely natural.
And remember, keep practicing until you feel confident, and don't stop by the first mistake. Keep going.
Oh, Jack, that was actually perfect.
I know. I am on fire today.
See you in part 10, our final part. Don't go anywhere. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson.
We made it! We actually made it to the end!
Jack, we make it to the end every time.
I know, but every time feels like an achievement.
And you made it to the end too, and that is amazing. We are so proud of you.
Today, you learned something that even many advanced learners find confusing, the difference between by and until.
You learned that by is for deadlines, one-time actions with a final point.
You learned that until is for continuous actions, something that keeps going and stops at a certain time.
You heard 3 real conversations, at the office, between friends, and at home.
And you learned the most common mistakes, so now you can avoid them.
Now it is homework time. Go to the comments below and write 2 sentences.
1 sentence with by and 1 sentence with until. Can you do it?
For example, I will finish my English practice by tonight, and I will keep watching daily English talks until my English is perfect.
I love that second sentence. Please write that one.
Yes, please. It would make us very happy.
And if today's lesson was helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. It really means the world to us.
Subscribe to Daily English Talks and share this video with a friend who always confuses by and until.
We promise, after watching this video, they will never confuse them again.
New lessons every week. Easy, fun, and real English just for you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up on your English journey.
We believe in you, every single one of you watching right now.
See you in the next video, and until then, keep smiling.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Bye-bye.